U.S. used car market update. Hey there, welcome to your straightforward look at the U.S. used car market today. If you're thinking about grabbing a gently used ride without the headache, stick around. Here's a quick overview to kick things off. We'll cover prices, how many cars are out there, what's next, and how interest rates mess with your budget. Sales are set to hit 38 million used cars this year, just 1% more than last. Retail deals, about 20.1 million, up 1.2%. Last month, 1.42 million sold, down 5.2% from August, but 6.6% better than last year. It's a mix of fall slowdown and money worries, but good news for smart shoppers. First up, prices. Let's talk prices, the big one for your wallet. Used cars list for $25,512 to $25,825 across the country. That's the same as last month, but 3 to 5% higher than a year ago. Cars about 3 years old, up 5.2%, thanks to fewer made back then. At wholesale auctions, prices fell a bit this month. The Manheim number is 203.6, up just 0.4% from last year, but down now. Small cars and family sedans dropped 5 to 6.5% over the year, great for cheap buys. Fancy SUVs, up 0.7%. New cars cost $50,080 on average last month, so fewer people trade in, keeping used prices up. Now, inventory, the cars ready to buy. There are about 2.26 million used cars on lots right now. That's the most this year, up 7.6% from about 2.1 million recently. It gives 48 days of supply, 6.7% more than before. This helps fix the low number of leased cars returning, down 23% from last year to 2 million. Big dealers have 55%, small ones the rest. In California, which sells 24% of all used cars, things move fast for quicker deals. Texas, growing 7.34%, holds prices steady with strong buyer interest. Looking ahead, prices should ease a little. Wholesale might fall about 1.8% compared to last year, pulling retail down 0.5 to 1% this fall if sales stay even. Expect 3 to 5% lower overall than before the pandemic, thanks to many leased cars returning. Electric cars could drop 60% or more on almost new ones because there are so many. Hybrids stay about the same. The market grows from about 1.06 billion now to roughly 1.32 billion later, at 4.3% a year over the decade ahead. New car sales jumped 10% last quarter to 3.95 million. Ford and GM each up 8%, adding more trade-ins. The Fed cut rates a quarter point to 4 to 4.25%, which could speed things up. California might drop 2% faster than average. Texas could stay 1 to 2% higher. For you as a buyer, it's give and take. The price gap between new and used, under $17,000, brings more people to used lots. But September's 5.2% drop in sales shows folks are waiting. If your credit is low, under 640, you might pick older cars with more miles, as late payments rose 50% over 15 years. Bad ones hit 2.05% last month, up 2.2% from August. Cars getting taken back are at high levels not seen since the big crash, pushing some to quick loans or skipping cars altogether. The new car boom helps stock up, but people want small cars and hybrids more than fancy ones, which hurts prices on cheap end. Interest rates? They're the tough part, but you still have options. Average used loan rates sit around 14.12%, near multi-decade highs. With strong credit, expect roughly 8%, still much higher than a few years back. That bump adds about $100 to $200 to monthly payments and slows buying, keeping lots well stocked. For lower scores, rates near 20% and tighter lenders raise late pays and curb approvals. So, inventory's solid, deals exist. Watch the rate, term, and total out the door. Check updates at Cox Automotive. Share your tips in the comments and drive safe.